Hello, we're Team 5 and we're going to explain to you in the easiest way possible the sine, cosine, tangent graphs and its elements.
Hi, I will explain you the A, B values meaning, as well as my partner will explain you the C and D meaning. We will add some more definition such as the amplitude and the wavelength. The amplitude is the absolute value of A between the lowest and the highest point of the graph, and always goes from -1 to 1. On B value, we see sine curves remaining naturally phenomena such as water waves. When they have more energy, they go up and down more vigorously. We say they have greater amplitude. On B value, the variable B is the graph affects the period, or also known as wavelength. The period is the distance or time that it takes for the sine or cosine curve to begin repeating again.
The letter C represents a movement in a horizontal plane from left to right, and the letter D represents a movement in a vertical plane, up and down.
And now we will continue with the sine function. We have to graph it, so we make our little table here. You can have results in radians or degrees, but we will manage degrees in this time. And now we have to graph it with a different color. I already made the points, so it's something like this. The sine function has this beautiful up-down curve with 2 radians period, that it's this, and it starts at 0, then heads up to 1 by 2 radians, and it goes down again to the 180 degrees. Now it has a domain of, remember the domain is in the x-axis, so it's minus infinity plus infinity, and the range is in the y-axis, and it's a -1 to 1.
The cosine function has a period of 2 pi, starting from 0. Its starting point is 0, 1. Then at pi over 2, it moves to 0. At pi, it moves to -0, -1. At 3 pi over 2, it moves to 0, 0. And at 2 pi, it moves to 0, 1. The same goes for the minus x values, and the function looks something like this. The domain of the function is from -infinity to infinity, and the range of the function is from -1 to 1.
Well, I'm going to explain the tangent graph. The tangent function is really different from the others because it is irregular and it goes from negative to positive infinity. Well, for graph it, we first have to make our table of values. But as you can see, we have in the y-axis, we have asymptotes that are going to be reflected in our graph. Then we pass all of our values to the graph, and it is going to look something like this. As you can see, the domain are all the real numbers, and the range goes from -infinite to positive infinity. And here are the degrees and the values of the circle unit.